Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set timer on Snapchat. So let's jump right in. First, open the Snapchat app. On the right side of your screen, you will see a plus icon. Tap on it to open more options. Scroll down through the options until you find the timer icon. It is typically represented by a small clock. Finally, tap on the timer icon and the 3 seconds timer will be set for your snap. Now, the timer will appear on your screen whenever you take a snap. And that's it. This is how you can set timer on Snapchat. Thank you for watching Take My Life. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.